How's it going, my beardless brethren? Now, the beginning of this video is going to be a little more serious, and I know I'm not often serious on this channel, so just please bear with me if you will. I've been thinking a lot recently, and there's a lot to think about. With the death of George Floyd, the rioting and the protesting, being in quarantine from COVID-19, the upcoming election, there's a million things to talk about right now. And it hit me like an unforgiving train, the fact that at the beginning of every video that I put on this channel, I've asked you guys the same question. How's it going, my beardless brethren? But I have never stopped to ask it that question genuinely. I've never stopped to listen to what you have to say about how you really are. And I know maybe you're thinking, Ryan, you're a YouTuber and we're the audience. We expect you to say things like that we don't answer to. But I don't want it to be that way. Listen, there's almost 1,400 subscribers on this channel, and a typical video gets almost 3 times that many views. That's a lot of people with a lot of feelings and a lot of emotions. Any person who's ever watched any of my videos has questions, thoughts, hurts, sorrows, joys, hopes. There's a million things that everyone has felt. If the only thing that I do is upload videos talking about my facial hair, then I failed you. I've done a big disservice to you. What we've started here and what we have is a community who loves each other and supports each other, and that's what we absolutely need right now. We come from different backgrounds, from all over the world, and the only thing we have in common is the fact that we're putting a drug on our face to try to grow more facial hair. I've never met any of you personally, but I feel so much love for you guys. For real, this has been an amazing journey, not just for me, but to see your comments, your reactions, and I love talking to you. Everyone who's going through this same minoxidil journey needs to feel loved, wants to feel supported, and often we don't feel that way. What I really want to know is, how are you? Really. I want you to be real in the comments below. Let me know, how are you really doing? Then I want you to find some people in the comments who are going through some things. I want you to find people who have had really great things happen. I want to talk about it for real. How are we doing? It's so easy to hide behind the mask of the internet, but I want you guys to feel really, truly loved and supported, not just in your minoxidil journeys, but feel loved and supported as humans who need to feel loved. This is a time of life where I feel especially that I have so much to learn from people who are different than me, that look different than me, that act different than me, and that live in a different place than me. Now, you guys don't know much about me, and maybe I'll do a video in the future, but I want to kick this off, and I want to say my name is Ryan, and I'm 21, and I'm going through a lot right now. I moved back home to Iowa when I was in quarantine, when I was supposed to be in my college, and it's been really hard being away from it. About a week ago, I found out that the job I was supposed to work this summer fell through, and now I'm unemployed this summer. Finally, after 2.5 months, I saw my girlfriend this last week, but it's going to be another 3 months before we're together again. Feeling a lot of things lately, especially with the things in the news. My heart has been heavy, and guys, I've just been sad. Even though the happiness and the fun you see from me is genuine on the channel, there's things that I'm feeling behind the scenes. And I really need to lean on the love and the support of the people in my life, you guys, and in my faith in Jesus. I pray for you guys a lot, and I'm so thankful for the opportunity I've been given to get to know you guys somewhat. I love encouraging you guys on your journeys, and I want this channel to be more than just talking about our facial hair, but a community that really cares for each other. Thank you guys for listening to me. Thank you for taking this seriously. And now I want to address the elephant in the room. It's this little cutie. Hey, how's it going? But no. There is something different about me, like in every video, apparently. I think you already know what's different about me, and if you don't, well, then we're not friends anymore. That's just the truth of it. I trimmed my facial hair. So what I did is I kept the facial hair in my goatee area completely untrimmed, but then I trimmed the sides of my face and under my chin. Now, I recorded myself a couple days ago before I trimmed it so you could see the very final moment when my hair was the absolute longest it's ever been. Let's take a look at the video. There you go, all clean. So where you're seeing my facial hair right now is by far the longest it's ever been, but I actually think maybe I would go longer with it in the future. It was getting difficult to put the minoxidil on over the hair, and like I said, I think what you were seeing was mostly length, and you weren't actually seeing the progress and the gains in the follicles, so I think this actually helps reveal a little bit more of that. I wanted to keep the goatee area because that's the part of the beard that I think actually I like the most and I want to keep the most. Under the lip and under the chin are really patchy still, and I didn't want to lose any of the gains I've already gotten, and I feel like I can still put minoxidil on adequately between the patches and the facial hair. But without further ado, now it's time to see where I'm at now. Why do you keep wanting to see in my shower, you weird? The part that I definitely wanted to accentuate was the goatee area, and that's why I decided to keep it. I still barely have any hair under the lip, but actually it's getting more noticeable. I'm also seeing a lot of progress in the connectors area of the beard. It's hard to see probably on camera, but it's actually, I think, helping out a lot. I like the length of the chin. It actually helps hide some of the patches underneath, so I think that's nice. My girlfriend actually thinks it looks better, so let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think having a shorter haircut definitely helped with the facial hair feeling more natural, whereas it was short, but with long hair, it felt really weird. I'm gonna keep everything growing so you can keep seeing some updates as it happens, but ultimately I do want my goal to be just kind of in the goatee area. However, I'll keep you updated on the chin and the neck and all the other parts I'll be growing. Now let's talk about the future for a hot second. That was one hot second. Coming up pretty quick, I'm gonna start a new series coming out this Saturday called MINOXIDIL FAQ. Every week I'm gonna talk in depth about a question that you guys have had about MINOXIDIL. And then every Tuesday, I'm gonna be posting an update on my progress and how far I've come in my journey. I'm also gonna do some tutorials and reviews of different products involved in growing facial hair, so you guys have all the details. And guess what? That was really aggressive, I'm so sorry. I'm just excited, I picked up 3 new bottles of MINOXIDIL foam. I buy in the 3-month quantity, I don't know why. I think I figure if I lose them, it's better to lose 3 than 6. If you guys need foam or liquid MINOXIDIL, I have links in the description. I can't say it. Links in the description. Why is it so hard? You try it. I have links in the description to 3 and 6 month supplies. If you guys do use my link, I actually get a little commission, which super helps me out. I haven't really told you guys this, but if you're interested in following me personally as a person who is a human, wow, that was really great. I have a link to my Instagram handle down below. Go ahead and follow me. Just smack the wall. I'm so aggressive, jeez. I have a link to my description. Nope. I have a link to my Instagram in the description if you want to follow me. I also have another YouTube channel, which probably most of you didn't know. I used to upload vlogs, but now I'm going to be focusing probably more on short films, film tutorials, that sort of thing. Stay tuned. Like I said in the beginning of this video, guys, I want to be real with you, and I want to let you know that I love you guys. Thank you for following my journey. Thank you for almost 1,400 subscribers. You guys mean the world to me. I hope you're doing well, genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, and I'm keeping you guys in my prayers. Stay safe, grow those beards really well, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.